the brand ambassador. Surabhi is there. So any program at CAPS without Surabhi speaking is incomplete. Okay. So let us complete the contract. So India is 115. Over to Surabhi.
Thank you, sir. When I have to speak about CAPS, I don't know what to say. Sir, ನನ್ನ phone ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I don't know, sir. If I have to speak about CAPS, only one word that comes is home anta. So I joined first PU at Takshana, and around 4 years, probably 3 to 4 years. And I don't know, sir. ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ I get very overwhelmed when I speak about each faculty. Be it Shetty sir, Radip sir, from CPT, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, everything is in the mind. It is not gone. Ivattu sir, when you were talking about consignment also, I remembered immediately Del Credit Commission. ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಾ, ಸೊನಾಲಿ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಪಡ್ಕೋಣೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. And so I remember everything. I guess everybody can vouch for me when I say that each class alli ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we will never forget it. For example, Rajiv sir CPT nalli when he did the case laws, even today we will recite it in word by word. That is a kind of concept that we get in CAPS. And ಮೊನ್ನೆ I met somebody who said, ಹೌದಾ CAPS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. I said, I don't know where you heard it from, but concept matra 100%, there's nobody who can beat CAPS anta heli I was telling them about CAPS atara. Ashte sir.
Okay. Thank you, Surabhi. Thank you so much. That is very nice. Okay, so just to add.
Thank you, sir.
So CAPS alliroru, so obviously they know whether we do fast or not. I don't think anybody accept that. Some people want to spread bad message, wrong message, they may do it. No doubt, I did one session for CS Institute recently for RTP analysis of intermediate. In 2 hours, I think Aman was telling you, I'm shocked anta. I covered the entire syllabus, half an hour entire syllabus, I did it. Yes, after a revision class only we do it, because there is a concept called efficiency and effectiveness. Revision class and fast all model and nothing, the revision alla. So otherwise we go so slowly. Today, just since she has told, I have taken 4 hours, one standard still I have not completed. CA final, only one account standard I am doing it. 4 hours I have CA final I have not completed yet. So we are still doing it. So that's the kind of depth what we go, and we know what is required, what is not required. So speed is efficiency and effectiveness. Those who can cope up with that, they will always be at the top. And all of our students who have understood what we are doing conceptually, the number of questions, they all cleared in the first attempt at the earliest possible attempt. Thank you, Surabhi. Nice word. Now we have one of my friends, Asha Lata Shetty, one of my classmates at BCom level, one of the brilliant student, one of the brilliant faculties in our institute now. I feel J for her because she's teaching in the same college where I was a student, but nevertheless I am happy for my sister. So she's also pursuing her CA final at this age, and after so long gap, she has decided to, because after family, so many other issues, so she has joined back the CA final classes. She's a CAP student, so let us listen to her for her experience, because when you listen to the different categories of people, then you will understand whether we are reaching to all of them. Because if only one X is happy, one Y is happy, it may not be the case. We have present batch students speaking, old batch students speaking, rank holder students speaking, faculty speaking. Now Asha, my classmate, who is also student at CAPS, is speaking. Over to Asha.
Hi, good evening, everyone. In fact, I don't know what to talk actually about CAPS or so. In fact, it's a great opportunity for me, in fact. Really excited and happy to be part of this session today with the Diggajas, actually, like Jaraman sir and many good faculty, the best faculties in CAPS actually. And of course, Arjuna series students. all are like, I feel, oh my goodness, the students are so smart men in CAPS. That's what actually. So in fact, I know my friend who is very close to my heart, my brother, since the beginning, yes. But during these 5 to 6 months, whatever I came to know about CAPS and CAPS Foundation, as far as education, his achievements, it's the great. It's wonderful. no doubt. Because I've seen during this 5 to 6 months, it's not just the education which is going on there. It is the overall empowerment or overall enhancement of a student. The transformation totally. A student become a complete chartered accountant just by being here only, in fact. He's boosted, he's triggered to study, how to develop yourself, your personality. It could be anything, SLC, Habba, or whatever. Enjoyed everything, no doubt. But whoever, whatever, during this COVID-19 period also, online coaching or online teaching was much challenging actually. Much challenging, which we are facing now actually. But still, this, I knew that Chandrasekhar means he won't give up. Whatever he says, he will achieve it. He will do it, no doubt. And everything he did in the same way. And his faculties. CAPS means the extraordinarily and exceptional faculties which I found. Really great they are. So nice, such a conceptual clarity for each and everything. And I loved it. Being in Mumbai for so many years, I have seen many students. I've not gone for any coaching, but I've seen many of my students going for that. And unhappy having paid lakhs of rupees for coaching fees. Especially they've come down to Bangalore also, one of the institutions. But I don't know, why do they pay and why are not they teaching? Why do they accept so much, take so much of fees and all? And why the students are spoiling in that way? And I'm really trying now to, contact those people, students in Mumbai, at least get good education at a very reasonable fees, man. Be a chartered at 20. I'm really influenced by Surabhi actually. At this, she's writing her final BCom and she's becoming a chartered very soon. Like she will, no doubt, just in a year or so, right? So that's a great thing actually. So I want to say, not only the education, what I said earlier, the social concern. I always say this to everyone: the social concern and the nation building. This mentality, not everyone has. Why should I spend for all those? These are the concerns which every person should have, and especially CAPS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಇರೋದು. I am happy and I'm very happy for my brother actually, along with the great team. Mr. Aman irbodu, it's a great team, and he said no, he's a very unique output of CAPS anta. Yaru Shetty sir andre, he is a unique output of our village actually. Unique output of our village. I'm very proud of him, and a great team also. And all the dreams, I wish and every student will come and learn and get a very good education, the best education, and be a social, responsible person out, be a professional person. And I try my level best to achieve or to help my brother in achieving his dreams a little bit. Not, I can't say like, he has so many dreams, which I love actually, such a thing he has in his mind. Adu ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, everything for the students, everything for the society, this, that, and all. Purnima might think now, his family will think, what about us, man? Every time you think about, right? No, he does concern about his family also, no doubt in that. I know everything. But yes, all the best to CAPS Foundation and CAPS Education also, and to all the faculties and the team. All the best. God bless you all. Thank you, Chandru.
Yeah, thank you very much, Asha. Thank you for your nice words. Thank you so much for the spirit what you have. You are just awesome, truly awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ritma.
Thank you.
I think we have Shailesh. Shailesh, CA, one of our brilliant student, very dedicated, committed student of CAPS. So one such student whom I selected specifically because every time when we send a message, not many people read, but he's the one guy for every activity. He just says yes, sir. Anta. Shailesh, over to you.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir. First of all, thank you so much for sending me the messages. I should thank you for sending me the messages and
Video
trying to keep me.
Video on ilva?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
Video on matter. You're all handsome, beautiful people, handsome and beautiful as the case may be.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir. So first of all, thank you so much for sending me the messages to keep me involved and all that. So I should say thank you, not you. So yeah, so I mean, if at all there was a time machine, I would actually love to go back to my school, because my school means the world to me, you know, and I keep caps at the same level as school. I keep caps also at the same level as school. So it means a lot to me. And yeah, I just noted down the points. I'll just tell it one by one. The most important thing about CAPS is I think the foundations are very strong. I'm talking from an academic point of view. To begin with, the foundations are very strong, which is important at work level or when you do further studies, etc. The foundations are very strong, and we pay a lot of people at CAPS pay a lot of attention on the foundations. So that is fantastic. And I mean, like everyone has already spoken, no? They've said that sir and the institution, they've played a huge part in bringing out a lot of CAs. It's like a CA factory. But I think most important thing is not just the CAs, I think it's like overall development as human beings. That is so important. I mean, that's why I relate to CAPS just the way I relate to school. It's not just education, it's beyond education. It's like how you grow up as a human being, and humility, all these small, you know, they may sound like very small, but so important, very, very important. And I joined it was in 2010 that I joined CPT. I did IPC CA final, everything I did along with my friends. Right from beginning to the end, I was in CAPS only. And it was brilliant. The teachers, amazing. I mean, the thing is, each teacher can impart something that lives with you for the rest of your life. Like multiple teachers, you know, at that time we had Vijay Raja sir, Shetty sir, we had UC sir also. I mean, obviously they don't remember because you're going to have like some 300 students that he teaches. So, I mean, each of these teachers, you can learn something, you know, it's going to stay with you for the rest of your life. That is one thing. And yeah, and about marketing, you know, I think it's important. It's something good. It is something amazing that we're doing. I think it's important to market this. It's important to take it out to people and let them know that there's something good out here. Go and take the benefits. So that's absolutely important. And I promise to do that on my part. Like, be it my relatives who are, you know, 10th, they automatically start asking, what next? What next? I keep forwarding it to them. You know, you may get some ideas, not just CA. They tell you about everything. Like, you know, you want to do CA, you want to do that, what can be done, what cannot be done, all that. You get all that information. And so I tell them that, you know, I keep forwarding it to them. I keep forwarding it to some of my other friends, relatives. So as far as I can, and as much as I can, I will keep helping and assisting in this. And yeah, thanks a lot, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shailesh, for your nice words. Thank you. So we make you ensure that actually education at CAPS is at school only, because our classes are also at our school.
Yeah.
So, that compliments the same. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I think we have Abhilash, CA Abhilash. You can share your thoughts. Any alumni who have joined also, please, you can share your thoughts. Everybody has been given a chance. Okay, Abhilash, you want to speak, sir? Yes, sir. Adre video on Madi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please.
Turn on the video.
Yes, no problem.
Sir.
Abhilash, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. And yes, Rao, is it Sumana Rao?
I think you remember. Sir, may I audible?
You are audible, sir. You are audible. Mathadi, sir.
Sir, I think you remember me. We did CAPS Ekra Pekra dance on the CAPS picnic. So
I
we
know,
are
sir.
used to sit
Very much I know, sir. Abhilash, I know you. How can I forget?
Sir, I am from Tumkur, sir.
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ 2005 ಅವರೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. 2018 ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ? 2017
2016, sir.
16. Okay, 2016.
15, 16, I don't remember.
Yes, sir.
So actually I completed my CA, sir, in CAPS only.
Yes, sir.
So now I am running a coaching centers in Tumkuru where there is no coaching center prior to that, and we
Excellent.
are running the charitable trust also. So I got from CAPS is, so we have to pass the things from one person to another person. I
Yes, sir.
thought, so this is what I given to the CAPS return. So I think, sir, in next year we are planning to start for the intermediate also. So now, as of now, we are doing classes for CA foundation only, sir. So next, the whatever fees we received, we are investing in society, sir. We will go for the government schools and the orphan schools, and we will also Belgaum, this flood, during flood donation. Flood, we collected more than 50,000
Yeah.
from our friend circle, and we went there. Actually, we went there, Belgaum, Chikodi. So we went there. We given the necessities, whatever they required. Okay, so I think it's better to express in Kannada. ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸರ್, ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ಸೊ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತುಮಕೂರು ಟು ಬೆಳಗಾಂ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ನೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿ CA, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲೂ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಯೋಗಾ ಡೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ CA. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ತುಮಕೂರು, ಮಿನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸರ್. ಐ ಟುಕ್, ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಟುಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಬಿ CA ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಓನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಟರ್. So you are taking from the society, so you have to give back to the society. So that's I am following, sir. So next I will tell you, and I will ensure you I will continue this. So in Tumkur, in name of the Shetty sir. So I always tell, I have one legend, that is Shetty sir. Sir, if you come to Tumkur, sir, give me a call. So I will introduce my students. So now actually we completed 2 batches. So we have CA friends in Tumkur also. So together we have. So we are planning for conducting the intermediate classes also. So just thanks is not enough, sir. Thanks is not enough. I'm giving return for the CAPS, because I took many things from CAPS, because I am from a village, remote village, where I don't know proper English, and financially unstable. And today I am financially stable, and I am helping others. So that's the thing I learned from the CAPS, and especially my boss, Shetty sir. So thank you, sir. Thank you. And I hope once I come Bangalore, I will definitely meet you, sir.
Thank you, Abhilash. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to us. And you are the true spirit of CAPS, because whatever we want to do, actually you are spreading it across at least Karnataka. I'm so happy that you're doing that. It's not that you're creating mini CAPS, but I'm happy that actually you're doing a charity also. You are doing the education at the village level, where we could not reach. Excellent job. God bless you. Maybe we'll also call you. We'll also help you out in improving that. We want you to do that foundation, inter, final, everything you do at Tumkur, so that students need not have to struggle there. So whatever support you want from our side, we will be able to help you out. Excellent job. Please continue to do great job. God bless you. Excellent. Thank you very much, Abhilash. Thank you.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. So any other CA friends in the forum? I could, sorry, because if you have not mentioned your name correctly, I may not be able to know who is that. Any other CA alumni available in the forum, Zoom? Yeah, anybody there? I could, because if you don't show the video, or if I don't write the name, I may not be able to. Fine. I think anybody else want to speak? I think Dhanesh, you can share your thought process. Dhanesh, but just keep it in 2 to 3 minutes, and the 5-10 minutes will wind up. Batra. Oh, Batra. Dhanesh, but next Jairam, you can speak. Shabbi and Kumble, and anybody else also want to speak? Surakane, yeah. Start, Jairam.
Good evening to everybody. I would like to say that I'm very blessed to be part of CAPS from 2012, but unfortunately I could not clear my CA, but now I started online tutorials. Now I started attending from this batch. So my opinion is, see, everybody teaches, but nobody teaches you humanity. Nobody teaches you, honesty or being, morality. But here in CAPS, you end up learning everything, and you become a perfect human being. So I am not praising anybody here, but the way the faculties thinks and Shetty sir thinks is, he doesn't have any self interest there. He's doing selfless job, and we are very blessed to have a person like that, and who is like Paramatma includes all atmas. So he is spreading, and he is including everybody into the way he is working and to the society. There are no words to express the way he his thinking is. So my only one sentence is, so you come as a stone to CAPS and become a statue at the end. So that is the only point I would like to say. I would like to clear my CA also as well as earliest as possible. With all the blessings from CAPS, I would definitely do it. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jayaraman. Thank you, Jayaram. So just to tell, Jayaram was an old student who did foundation inter and then deviated, got into the family life, have some 2 kids also. Now he decided to continue CA final, okay, and has come back and joined, one of the dedicated deriving student. 100% by God's grace in the first attempt. Now onwards, you'll be clearing, sir, by God's grace. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. And next, Neha, one more terrific student. I missed her name. Sorry, Neha. Okay, so one more old student again. Okay, so she, not very old, obviously. So she, got married and having the family life, and she's pursuing CA final again. Over to Neha.
Hi, sir. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Everyone spoke like all the points I wanted to. One thing I want to say is, I am from Vellore basically. I got to know about CAPS when I was in Vellore through some of my relative in Bangalore. So at that time itself, CAPS, it is so renowned. Everyone knows about CAPS so much. Just to attend my classes in CAPS, I came all the way from Vellore to Bangalore. And I did 6 months of coaching in CAPS. Terrific it was, and in my first attempt, I cleared my IPCC. For some reasons, for the final, I was not able to come back to CAPS. I had to go to Chennai. I did my CA final coaching there, and I wrote my attempt after marriage, but I was not able to clear for some reasons. And then somewhere I was praying that I want to get back to CAPS. I got married and settled in Bangalore, and I had hopes, okay, so finally I'll be joining CAPS. Because I was committed, after 2 or 3 years of my marriage, I have to continue with my studies. Blessing in disguise, COVID came. I'm in Malu, so every day traveling and coming to Bangalore and attending coaching classes, having a family was not possible. But if we wish it from heart, God gives the way. So I got these online classes, and now I'm doing classes it is so much lively. Just the same I did it in IPCC. Though the kind of commitment or the kind of dedication sir has, or all the faculties they have, I imagine what if I am not able to get, for any reason, suppose because I have only 1 month in hand, if I'm not able to clear, I am not bothered what my family members will think or how I will face them. The only thing which matters is how will I face Shetty sir. So that is the kind of dedication or commitment sir gives us. So I am sure I will be able to do it this time. That was the reason confidently I joined CAPS, and everyone can see the difference in me now. The way confident we get that I will do it, I know it. So the same thing we have to give it to some, the next generation, the people who are coming next. Because of live classes, we are not able to connect much because of online classes. When it was in our school, we had a college opposite to our school. So many students coming out of our schools, people will know, okay, there's something going on here, there's an institute. So that kind of marketing was there that time. Now, since it is online, it has affected. So it is our responsibility to pay back to our gurus for some not for something, for a life-changing event that has happened in our life. So yes, we owe a lot to CAPS. Definitely, we owe a lot, and we will do the maximum we can for our institutes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Neha. Really, really inspirational. 2-3 points you should take learn from it. She's a married woman having a kid and commitment, but still she has not missed even a single class. That is the way she has shown the commitment. And look at this, from all the way from Vellore, she has shifted to Bangalore, and it paid. So 6 months she was there. First attempt she cleared. And also she said yes when she joined Summer Institute. We respect all the institute, all her way, but she was not able to get that because the conceptual clarity what is required at CA, probably I think missing in most of the places. So she's just joined recently and she's so confident. And trust me, by God's grace and your hard work, 100% will clear on first attempt. And in CAPS, it is only first attempt for you. There is no second attempt. Don't think anything else. You will definitely, by God's grace, clear. Thank you. Thank you so much for it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I think Swastik and Satvika want to speak. We have twins actually who are ready to write their exam in November ansute. Tangi allo, tangi akkana, tangi. Swastik unmute madko. Unmute, illa mute agide. Anybody else who want to speak actually can speak. Anaga group, Sureka group, Vidyar, Matadbodo, or Shabbi, you can speak, sir. Anybody else want to speak? Another 5 minutes, we'll wind up. Yes, sir. Swastik, you can get ready. Shabbi, yes, sir. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. And I'm an alumni from CAPS, and just now Aman spoke a while ago. I'm his twin brother, so both of us joined CAPS together. So I've attended my CPT and CA intermediate, but now I finished my MBA and I'm working. I'll just share some few takeaways from what I have actually gained from CAPS. So when after attending all the CAPS classes and everything, I went to the outside world. So I was pursuing my MBA there. I just didn't know. So all these are very subconscious things. Sir is very particular about time. So even if you're 1 minute late, whether it is submitting your assignments or whether it is attending classes, I've never been late to class, and I think I have submitted all my assignments on time. Everything was on a subconscious level. But when I went to the outside world, I realized that people actually don't care much about time. People do not submit things on time. They don't value a lot of these small little things that sir taught us. Sir didn't teach us, but it was just the way of life at CAPS. So all these small little things that were ingrained within me has actually been helpful during my lifetime now. And I'll share one small little example. So in my second PUC, I got I think 97 in accounts or something. And a lot of us, would have scored really high in accounts and all that. So you'll be like, okay, fine, you are very good with accounts and everything. So, but when we attended, sir's classes during CPT, it was a huge eye opener, not in a scary way, but it was really good. And trust me, for a person like me, I don't know whether accounts and everything was my inner calling or not. But generally, when you attend CAPS, whatever the subject, I can vouch for it that you'll enjoy the classes. Whether you used to like the subject, whether you like the stream or not, you will enjoy the classes, and whatever it is, you will enjoy the classes for sure. And you will really love to attend and learn. And that's what is the biggest takeaway from CAPS. And one last thing, in the olden times, there was this Gurukul system where they used to develop the students in a very whole-rounded way, prepare them for life. And I genuinely believe that if there is anything, close to a Gurukul at this day and age, for me, that is CAPS, because it is not just about teaching what is there in the textbook or teaching what is there in the syllabus. CAPS teaches you life. And I think that is the biggest takeaway. And for the amount of money that you have to pay, trust me, I don't want to talk about money because, whatever the fees is, I know we are the lowest in the market and all that. Trust me, even if we charge higher than what others are charging, and I'll still tell it is worth it. You leave about the money and everything else. Even if we charge more, even if CAPS are charging more, it is still worth it because you'll be ready for life. And that I don't think anybody else can offer. And for a course like CA, which is one of the, it is not, okay, tough is not a word, or impossible is not a word that we are supposed to use in CAPS, but comparatively to other course, it is slightly difficult. So if you are ready for life, I think you will CA is nothing. So sir is actually preparing you for something more. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. One of the brilliant associate of CAPS was also involved in our so much of marketing decisions. So now he has moved to the digital marketing. So thank you so much, Habib, for your wonderful words. Thank you. You're one of the greatest asset for the CAPS and CAPS Foundation group. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Janesh and Swastik, you're able to speak? Swastik, you want to speak, but I think there's some technical lag there. Janesh, but anybody else want to speak? Anaga group, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅನಗ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಕ್ ಅನಗ.
Hi sir, even I'm CAPS student from CPT. Actually, it is through my friend I got to know about CAPS because she was attending class after first PU itself. And even today, I remember the first time I saw Shetty sir actually. It was Sureka and me, we both had come to Baswangudi office to pay CPT fees, and we were waiting for receipt or something, and then a person comes and he randomly starts conversation with us, asking like which college are you from and all those. He was too friendly actually. And after coming out, we were like, he was so friendly, right? At that time, we didn't know who that person was. And then our first CPT class, we were sitting and Shetty sir just came. And I didn't even know that he was Shetty sir. And my friend was like, he is only Shetty sir. So Sureka and we were like, oh, we saw him the first day when we went to his office. And I knew Shetty sir's jokes even before joining CAPS. It was because of my friend. To be honest, sir, about discipline and commitment, I don't think I haven't seen this kind of discipline and commitment in any other institution. I have seen my friends because class gala yararu bandilla andre like okay ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವೆಂಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. And I'm so happy at the conceptual learning and all. I have not seen in any of my friends actually, being very honest. And yes, sir, marketing ಮಾಡಬೇಕು sir, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will not reach out to people. That's what I feel.
Thank you, Anaga. I think Sureka also want to speak. Whoever wants to speak, you can speak now. Sureka, Elaka.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, everybody. I am a student of CAPS right from CPT. So, it was way back in April 2017 that I started coaching. So, it's been almost like more than 3 years now. And I just can't thank enough for all the faculties right from CPT till CA final. I mean, there's everything here. How much they've given to us and for whatever they've done, name it and we have it here. Like education obviously is the top priority. We have personality development, yoga, sports, everything. I mean, I can like even at office when we compare ourselves with others, we can like clearly make out the difference that there is, right? So like may it be concepts or may it be discipline. Our friends often ask us, how do you even manage to sit in class for like such long hours? Won't you get like bored, or how is your attention span gonna be? But we are like, no, we are used to it. I mean, that's how it works here, and it is really effective. And the dedication that there is, I actually myself doubt if by wrong choices or so, if I had landed up elsewhere, I really doubt if I could have given this much of dedication to the profession and to the subjects. It's only because of the faculties and especially Shetty sir that I can like sit at one place and, you know, concentrate and give my best. So thanks to everybody for being in this journey with me and helping throughout. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sureka. See, Anaga, Sureka, Surabhi, they're all from same batch. So they are still doing BCom and they are already in CA final, CPT first and IPC first and CA final. So they are attending for the second batch. So we normally tell the CA final students to attend second batch. So before even completing final BCom, they are already ready for the CA final. This is what happens only at CAPS. So if you are from CPT, the foundation background, chak ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Thank you so much. Yeah, fine. Tamil and Aishwarya, one of you want to speak? Or both of you, quickly. Anybody can speak because they are special from Coimbatore, all the way from Coimbatore. I thought I should give geographical advantage to them. Aishwarya or Tamil or and Tamil. Yaar bekaro. You able to speak? Aishwarya, speak.
Hi, good evening, everyone. And it's been a great privilege to speak about Sir. And we were starting our career in CAPS, and we would like to go attend all the sessions. But due to Corona, we came offline. We has been listening the classes, but it's been a good experience. Indulge in every activity, and I'm very much impressed on all the activities done by the Sir. And each and everyone towards the society or towards the personal one, and everything is great. And it's been, I also thought to many inspirational characters he has, and I too want to follow it.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you for nice words. Tamil.
Sir, hello, good evening, everyone.
Hello, sir.
Sir, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Everyone knows about Shetty sir. I'm very happy to have a sir like this because I didn't meet a person like him in my life. I don't know. I don't have any words to say because he's such a good person. I don't know what to say because on the I don't have any words to say about him because I'm very, very happy to have a sir like this. I didn't meet any person, such a nice person. The two in these days, I have never met a person like this who doesn't care about money, who care about the student's career more than anything. Really good heart, kind-hearted person. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very blessed to have a sir like this. The two from Jan, I joined CAPS. I'm very blessed. But yeah, I'm very happy about being a part of CAPS. I wish to be in a CAPS till the end, how much I can. So I be part of CAPS family. I'm very, very grateful to have a teacher like him. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tamil. Thank you, Tamil and Aishwarya, all the way there. 5 to 6 people had come from Coimbatore all the way for CAPS, Papa, because of the COVID-19. So we had to offline to online, but extremely good. If you are saying that is emotionally attached, so if you are saying that I'm good, it is because you are good. Your good heart says that I'm good. Thank you. You are also wonderful student, good-hearted people. Thank you. I'm so happy and privileged to have students like you people. Thank you so much. So anybody else, or shall I conclude? Shall we conclude?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, Matadika.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
First of all, I'm very happy to listen to you again, sir. It's been a long time after I leave CAPS. It's from February. I have not met you, but I have going through your revision classes or some of these motivational sessions with Jayaraman sir during this COVID pandemic. And first of all, I like to thank my parents because sending me to Bangalore, it's not so easy task that my parents made the room there for me, for us, and joined CAPS. And secondly, when coming to the point of CAPS lecturers, it's like a couple of weeks back, I have read one quote saying that a student need not worry if a mentor is a person who converts a black stone into a shining diamond or gold or jewel. So I'm very happy that we students of CAPS are under the safest hands of Shetty sir and his team. So I'm very glad to it. And thirdly, the teaching style, what I liked is the wonderful style. I cannot just imagine that others can do accounts like you, sir. And all the other faculties, I'm not just talking about only Shetty sir, all the CAPS lecturers, Nara sir, whenever I introduce about myself, that where I'm studying, I'm very happy to say that I'm studying under lecturers who are reputed, that not only in Bangalore, all over the state, all over the country, and all over the international world as well. So I'm very happy, and I have already shared about 5 to 10 people who are wanted to become CA. Some of my classmates who had joined Alwas, and she's thinking to join CAPS now. So I have told them, and my sir from Saint Philomena's High School and College are insisting the students, next students, junior students to join CAPS only, sir. So I'm very happy that if each and everyone, my juniors, are able to get good education, that I'm very happy. So thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Thank you. Satvika, where is Satvika?
Satvika, she has got some problem in neck, sir. So she had consulted doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So again, like Sastik and Satvika, the two terrific students who have joined last batch all the way from Puttur. They had come to the classes. They are twins. So excellent students and spoke so nicely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else want to speak? Okay. I think we'll conclude. Just to tell you, my dear friends, there are 5 minutes maximum. I'll speak. The fees at CAPS is kept low, as I think Shravan Shabbi rightly said. Even if we charge more fees than the others, people will come. But the objective is very simple. I am from a very poor background where we didn't have electricity in my house till I became a CA. Not to just to tell, but just to tell you, I can understand the poverty. So as I was telling you about the mobile incident where people are struggling even today. And second one is I was somewhere in 1980s, what situation prevailed in my village, it is there in some part of the South Indian states even today. So that is the kind of poverty we are undergoing. So we need to do something. It is not that we are going great. I am not doing anything. If people have said I have done nothing, I have done. I am a firm believer of Gita. So we can neither create anything nor destroy anything. We are just transferring from one person to another. So whether I want to retain something is a decision of the individual. As far as I am concerned, I am happy to have nothing in my hand so that I don't have any tension in life. A simple example: you have got 20,000 rupees cash in your pocket and you're walking down. You need to keep on touching your pocket. So what happens? Whereas if you are empty pocketed, you are always happy. Try to have empty, but try to give to others so that that has more value than I keeping in my account. So the second one is, yes, the very objective of this program is not to get the praise for me or institution, just to tell you that we are doing the right job. So probably this program, all the people, because many people, the competitors may simply say, spread some wrong rumors. I don't say anything wrong about any institute. I say everybody is good. Everybody is good. But the question is it good enough to you? That's what the question you have to ask. Okay. So we are going to tell you, we give the best of the best faculty. Pan India. Now, today we are going to reach each one of you. Anywhere in India, if you want, you can give the best. So as Jayaraman sir was saying, unless a student puts a word, nobody will come. Because how does a person know that Shetty sir is good or whatever? Only when you put the word. We are not forcing you to do that. I will not do that. If you like Shetty sir's teaching, if you like Jayaraman sir's teaching, if you like CAPS teaching, if you like discipline, you should share. Because goodness gets multiplied only by sharing. Because today, kuch dikta hai, wahi bikta hai. If you don't tell, people don't understand. Some people will be going by, oh, I pay more, 30,000, 40,000 rupees for foundation or quality acha hoga. We are not selling the shirt here. We are not selling the TV here. We are having the education here. And the objective of the keeping the fees low is ensure that everybody gets the best possible education. And second point, I also started with that. Every faculty at CAPS is no doubt the best. But possible, 1 or 2 faculty in other institute may be better than it. But just for the sake of one subject, okay, how logical is to forgo the other 7 best subject? It is meaningless, okay. So extreme case, maybe at intermediate final, foundation level, you don't even think also. You join CAPS, maybe extreme case, one subject you didn't understand properly. Today online, you can go to that, you take such subject online from someone. I don't have problem. So even then, for example, at CAPS, CA foundation is 15,000, CA entry is 32,000, CA is 40,000. Where some other institute almost 1 lakh fees, 40,000 you pay, then maybe one subject you pay another 10,000. I know some places 10,000. Institute is 50,000. Half the cost you have done, and you got it. Yoga, personal development, CAPS, everything you get. And as most of the people have said, it is not just about the education we share. We want you to be human beings. And trust me, my dear friends, I'll give it in writing. There are a lot of CS friends who are listening to me now. The life is much tougher after becoming CA. So what you would have thought at final level, you let me complete once my life will be easy. No. Once you become CA, challenges are much more. But we are ready for accepting it. Okay. As someone rightly said, I am very happy. Narasar has rightly said, I am very happy, I have everything because that qualification you have. So my suggestion, even so, some people simply spread the rumor, don't listen to that. So join CAPS, CA Foundation, Interfinal, we have the best of the best. I don't force anyone, but at least share the information so that everybody gets the best. Because if you got the benefit, you should also ensure that others also get the benefit. It is a social obligation, it is a moral obligation to ensure that others also get the best education. So second point is we have a CEEP program, Education Empowerment Program. your college, as Swastik rightly said, so we were going to reach now all the PUC and degree colleges across India, preferably to start with South India. So where we will be giving the education almost at a cost, because many people cannot afford the education. So you can talk to your colleges, this is the best thing, PUC at our college, at our tuition center. So you can communicate to them. They will be shocked. When I spoke to recently one of the colleges, is the fees what is it per subject or for entire foundation, they ask. So that's the way things are happening. So we will give the education at the cost to cost, so that I don't have any objective of in life to become the richest person. Last 20 years I had hardly anything, but the richest thing what I have is my students community, the students who love me. That's the biggest thing which I have. So I want to maintain that till the end of my life. So you can tell your PUC, degree college, so that, and even office people, your bosses, so that CA is happening, so it can help the maximum people. Fine. And one point I repeat. So maybe 1 or 2 subjects, some other institute may be teaching well, but trust me, so you have 6 subjects we have best. 2 subjects, even if you think they are not as good as them, they are enough for you to pass CA. They are enough for you to pass CA, because 6 subjects, if you get a 540, other subject, even if you get a 50-50, you are a first rank holder, man. And we have produced first rank in that way 3 times all India. That's why it's possible. So you don't have to think anywhere else, but just for information purpose. Yes. CF Humanity, please share the information. Then we have people coming from CPT to final saying that they are happy. There's people who have joined only at CA final, they are happy. That means everybody should be happy to join CAPS and make your life in a beautiful way. And look at the overall development. What is required is most important is the overall development. So look at Mr. Abhilash. He says, I want to create a mini CAPS at Tumkur by doing some charity, etc. I'm so happy. My life is made. That one sentence, what he said, we want to do the charity, spread it. I'm just extremely happy for this. So this is what we want to conclude. So just at the end, I want to share the screen saying about the next batch classes for the information of all the viewers. So this is what. So CA final classes, next batch is going to start on 12th October. 40,000 fees including GST. It comes to effectively 32,000, 33,000, 4,000 per subject. Whereas most of the places 10 to 12,000 per subject. Is it required? Ask yourself. CA Intermediate 4th October we planned, but because CA Intermediate we may not have a feeder this time, because CA Foundation May exam didn't happen, then become exams are still happening. CA Intermediate, this particular batch may be deferred. We are waiting for that, because if anybody wants this October batch, you will send a WhatsApp message, then only we'll do it. Otherwise, CA Foundation exam didn't happen for May. That means intermediate students will not come. Become exams are also still happening. So that's why we may defer it to January. 100% January it is going to happen in a beautiful way. And CA Foundation 19th November. All online classes as of now, and Zoom online live. We are not going to put the recorded classes. Ask our friends. I ask, best is offline class, no doubt about it. Second best is live online class. And at CAPS, many people are confirmed online and offline, no difference at all. Shetty sir will be same. I don't care, because for me, I'm not camera conscious. For me, just enjoy. If I don't enjoy, what will my student enjoy? That's my logic. Okay, that's the way we have done it. We are not going to have a recorded classes. We are going to have a live classes only. Right. And the fees is foundation 15,000, intermediate 32,000, CA final 40,000, all inclusive GST. So my suggestion, all of you join and enjoy. Now a small announcement. Maybe I'll just make it so, because some people are listening and others also can listen. There's an important announcement about CAPS Foundation. We have a lot of activity happening. As of now, CF Humanity version 3 is happening. In that, if any of your family members, friends, relatives, known, unknown, doesn't matter, okay, which religion, caste is, we follow only 2 religions, human religion and Indian. That's it. Okay, only that is nothing other than that. Only 2 religions we follow. So whoever wants, last 6 months, if anybody who was earning a salary of less than 15,000, if they lost the job, no other earning member, you can send a message to our WhatsApp number of CF 98866 I repeat, 98866 So from our side, for at least 1 or 2 months, next 2 months, their food related items will take care. Okay, I cannot say for all of them will take care. I will not say lifelong will take care. Next, till they find their own employment, because we believe in the concept of providing you the what you called art of fishing, not fish. We always want you to be given the idea of fishing and not a fish. But temporarily we'll give the food. It basically means we should give the education about employment and not just the food always. That's what we are going to do it. And the next one, very important program, which we are going to launch. It's good. I was thinking it happens during 4:30 to 6. Now it's happening after 6 o'clock. Now Kala is also not there. These are called EduMobile. I have not given the name as such, Aman. So we'll give the name in the short period in the CF meeting. So EduMobile is, listen carefully, very interesting, important one. All of you listening, because this is going to be put in the YouTube also. Others can also take the benefit. Now, most of us, middle class, a little here and there, up or down, most of us, you just go and see, you have at least one mobile extra in your house. Maybe you would have purchased 2 years back, 3 years back, etc. I don't want 2 hi-fi mobiles. Any mobile of the cost 5,000, 10,000, maybe maximum, used mobile, where you are not using because you upgrade mobile. We are happy for it. We are happy. We don't have any problem. Now, the education for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years has to happen online. So I'm not talking about CA, I'm not talking about CAPS, I'm talking about education at any level, especially at high school level, and maybe even at a school level. So many people do not have the mobiles. How will they have education? So we request government now to provide the mobiles probably. See, this is the unfortunate thing happening in my life. I don't have a mobile. I was actually telling people not to have a mobile, but for education is always above everything. So we need to have a mobile. So my plan now is, this is a plan what I have. I'll meet with my CF members and we'll finalize. My plan as of now is, those who have extra mobile, so send a message to our office. We will not take the mobile from you. So which are not using, but it should be in usable condition. It should be repair modadilla. It should be ready to use. Only mobile without SIM. You have a mobile, 1 mobile, 2 mobile, whatever it may be. Share with your friends also, because happiness is in giving. Takers eat well, givers sleep well. We all want to be givers. So you give a message, WhatsApp message to our office. Next point. We will spread this message to all. There may be thousands of people, millions of people who can't even afford a mobile. In their house, they don't have mobile for education. Purely for education purpose, nothing else. So we'll ask them to send a request. So let us say X is having, Aman Shetty is having extra mobile. So let us assume, okay, Shravan is an outsider who doesn't have a mobile. He will send a request. So we will verify whether the genuine, etc. with reasonableness. Once we say okay, then we'll send a message to Aman saying that you can send a mobile directly to that student who is needing. So CAPS Foundation in no case will take that mobile, because we want to be absolutely transparent. You have the happiness of sending it. So you need to directly send it, courier karo, Dunzo karo, cabby karo, to the directly needy. So we are in the process of just transferring from one person to another person. So demand and supply is met. There's a demand here, there's a supply here, is met. So what we should do is, whoever has got an extra mobile, your mobile code, which is in a reasonably good condition, where WhatsApp should be there, internet should be there, basic mobile agodilla. Our mobile is there, the photo kalsbitte. So it should be in a good condition. Send it to our WhatsApp, or you can just inform our office number 9886683697. It will come with the brochure. And whoever requires it, like some students may not have a mobile for education, we will ask them, then we will give that address you'll send. In this case, probably you can courier it, Dunzo it. The cost of courier, etc., if you want, CAPS Foundation will bear. We will bear it. This is the program what we have. So we, as of now, I just kept the name as EduMobile. We are planning to introduce that program. So I would be happy if you can make it a big success, because today education requires infrastructure. Earlier infrastructure was building, tear, furniture. Today infrastructure is mobile and laptop. Laptop, maybe we'll take it at the next level. Sadyaki will not get into laptop, we'll go only for mobile. So my sincere request on behalf of all fellow Indians, let us contribute to the growth of this country. Probably this is the best thing which you could do to the society, because what is lying idle there, which will become a technologically obsolete in a very short period of time. So please give it so that someone is, and they will say, Bhagwan tera bala kare. That will have a huge blessings and importance on your life. My request on behalf of the CAPS Foundation, please join hands in making this program a success, so that all our fellow brothers and sisters get the best possible education. And India, if it has to reach on the top within 2025, India has to become the #1 country. It is only by education. Yesterday, I was listening to Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. Okay, 155 countries India has helped in COVID situation. Are you not happy and proud? Are you not happy about the country? 155, and obviously it is not a fake statement. 155 countries we have what you call helped. We have helped. So I was talking to one of my friends. They say in America already 2 lakh people have died. 2 lakh people are on the way of dying in COVID. But India, touch wood, God's grace. No doubt there is a problem, but still we are able to manage the things in a better way. Almost out of 200 countries, India has helped 155 countries. We are just a step away becoming the #1 country in the world. Please help us in contributing to the society. So one way is you can spread the message about the CAPS. so that we can reach the CA education to the maximum possible people. Maybe in a short period, we may restart again CS education. That way also can help. Then about this mobile related education policy also you can help, and CF Humanity project also you can share. So this way you can help us to contribute to the country. I'm very happy by 2022, by hopefully by God's grace, everything is settled. When we celebrate 75th independence of our country, probably India is almost inching towards becoming the number country in the world. So special thanks to all our stalwart gurus, UC sir, Jayaraman sir, LP sir, then Aman, then Sudhindra MS, then Sri Lakshmi, and all the Nara sir, and all Asha madam, all the faculties and all the senior alumni who have joined. Thank you so much. All the students for our patient listening. Patient or I don't know, because you are at home, you may be impatient there, I don't know. But nevertheless, I'm so happy that actually you joined. Thank you so much for your, thank you so much for joining. Please share all the information. We'll be making it, okay, we'll be putting it in the YouTube also in a piecemeal manner, so that actually everybody gets the benefit. Thank you one and all. God bless you. Keep rocking, keep enjoying.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.